Okay, students. Next topic is reduction potential. Reduction potential, the tendency to gain electron. In the above case, electrode potential is known as reduction potential. According to Weyuppe convention, the reduction potential alone be called as the electrode potential unless it is specially mentioned. E naught reduction equal to electrode potential of reduction equal to minus electrode potential of oxidation. It is not possible to determine the absolute value of electrode potential. For this reference electrode NHE, normal hydrogen electrode, or SHE, standard hydrogen electrode is required. The electrode potential is only the difference of potentials between two electrodes that we can measure by combining them to give a complete cell. Next potential is standard electrode potential. The potential difference developed between metal electrode and solution of ions of unit molarity at 1 atmospheric pressure and 25 degrees Celsius is called standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential is denoted by E naught. Next topic is reference electrode. The electrode of known potential is called reference electrode. It may be primary reference electrode like hydrogen electrode or secondary reference electrode like calomel electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode SHE, standard hydrogen electrode SHE, also known as normal hydrogen electrode NHE, consists of platinum wire carrying platinum foil coated with finely divided platinum plate. The wire is sealed into a gas tube placed in beaker containing 1 molarity HCl. The hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure is bubbled through the solution at 298 Kelvin. Half cell is platinum H2, 1 atmospheric pressure and H plus 1 molarity.